To designate a hot spare hard drive for protecting a storage pool in UGREEN NAS, the storage pool must meet the following conditions. The RAID type of the storage pool must support hard drive fault tolerance. The capacity of the hot spare hard drive must be equal to or greater than the capacity of the smallest hard drive in the storage pool. Go to Storage Manager, then Storage Management, then Storage Pools and Volumes, and select a storage pool that supports hard drive fault tolerance. Click Hot Spare Management. In the pop-up window, you can see the hot spare status of the current storage pool and the available hard drives. If there are no available hard drives that can be designated as hot spare, the Add Now button will be disabled. If there are available hard drives, click the Add Now button to add the selected hard drive as a hot spare. After completing the addition, click Apply to save the configuration and ensure that the hot spare hard drive has been successfully added to the storage pool. Tips: when designating a hard drive as hot spare, all data on the hard drive will be erased. Please make sure there is no important data on the hard drive and that the hard drive is in good health. SSD hard drives cannot be used as a hot spare. It is recommended to select compatible hard drives as hot spare to avoid potential hardware compatibility issues and ensure the stable operation of the NAS system. In Storage Manager, select the storage pool that includes the hot spare hard drive and click on Hot Spare Management. Click the Remove button and confirm the removal. If the storage pool is degraded, it will no longer automatically repair using the hot spare hard drive.